Somebody came out here, left it like that. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut it off. Voila. Let me call it right. Oh, and it wasn't recording when it fell off. Whoops. Well, I think it's open now. MGraphic Designs. I'm not doing it for them, I'm doing it for their customer. But... Hey. Alright, I got that lock on. Oh, he said the keys might be inside of it?
Okay, well, we'll move it. Once we move it, I'll open it.
Should I open it and check? Because if not, he wants me to open the compartments, I think.
Oh. Can you fit in there?
Oh, because that's in the way, huh? Oh, good question. Oh, really? Let me call him. What's the other one? Both of them? Anyways, right? Should just make the key, because there's like 30 of these locks, but he said they're all different keys, so he doesn't really know. Okay, that's open. Did I just lock that one now? Okay. What do I need to do over here? I think it was open. Oops. I don't know which way I turn it because I'm so hot on here. Whew. Phone keeps getting too hot. Okay. I got stupid me picked that one to lock, but this was when it was locked anyway. Now it's open. Aha, look at that. Oh yeah, keys are right there. I think he'll be happy with that.